Let me jump into, let's talk about customization and integration. And I think you definitely touched on it, and maybe you already answered these questions, but first of all, in terms of customization, right? So I know there's templates, and I know that there's certain things that you spoke about that are specific to industries, but really how customizable is this? If somebody wants something really specific, can you do anything you want with this?
Pretty much, within limits. So the first thing is that NetSuite has its own app store, if you will. It's called SuiteApps. Look up SuiteApps.com. And what you'll find is that people have developed a whole range of different products for industries that you can buy off the shelf. Then there's a range of integration products, fantastic products that will let you connect to things like Salesforce or different products that you want. So there is that whole capability. There's an API level of integration. I've done it in areas like rights management where, very different things, but they talk accounting, so do it at an API level.
Right.
Within the system, there's a number of different ways to do it. So you can configure through workflows, which gives you an amazing amount of flexibility. When that isn't enough, then there's an underlying scripting language. And that's very much like a Java type script where for the things where workflow just won't do it, you can go in and develop those scripts, and you can develop those specific functionalities that you want. So I think between those different levels of, we can connect by API, we can do SOAP, we can do CSV, you can do it at workflow level, you can do it within the scripts. There's such possibilities to extend the product.
How often does somebody come to you and say, I want something customized, and you have to say, no, it's not possible?
I've yet to really come across that.
Exactly.
And what you find...
That's the key, right?
It's the key.
Yeah.
And what's really interesting is NetSuite is such a well-known product that a lot of third-party vendors develop integrations free of charge. So you run an MSP, you use ConnectWise. ConnectWise have an app, a SuiteApp, that they give their clients for free to be able to integrate in the flow.
Yeah, it opens up the world to tens of thousands of people just like us around the world. Why wouldn't they, right? So they probably have that for every type of business.
Exactly. And if you take what you do, you've got all of the logic of your business up front built in ConnectWise. Right?
Exactly.
You'll have that built there. So you don't want to redevelop all of that in the ERP. You don't want to lose that investment. You don't have the time, everything else, but you have this connector. So you just plug ConnectWise into NetSuite. You get the best of both worlds. You maximize your investment, reduce the time to get it done, and you're not reinventing the wheel. It's such a common sense way to do it.
Hey, thank you so much for enjoying this video. I have a quick message about NetSuite. Every firm that's come to us for guidance has totally transformed their business with NetSuite. So if you're in professional services, maybe you're in healthcare, manufacturing, could be that you're in warehousing, maybe you have an accounting firm or a law firm, could be you're in private equity, doing M&A, maybe you have a business that has multiple locations, or really it could be a wide variety of other industries. NetSuite solves so many of the business problems that you're facing. One major issue right now is QuickBooks Desktop. If you're using QuickBooks Desktop, which is going end of life, and you're ready to make a change, NetSuite will definitely solve that problem. Also, if you already have NetSuite, but you're frustrated or maybe you're disappointed with the level of service you're getting, with the outcomes that you're getting, with the productivity that you expect that you should be getting, you should definitely reach out to me, okay? Our clients consistently tell us that they feel way more confident and they see a lot more reliability and way better outcomes and productivity, not to mention 40 to 70% savings on NetSuite licensing. So we're here for you. Also, we'll help you determine if NetSuite is the actual right fit for you, and we'll provide expert support. So don't wait. Use the form below, schedule a free consultation with me, and let's see how NetSuite can transform your business. Now back to the video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.